Growing up, I always wanted to participate in pageants. I was the slim kid, light, and people used to say I was cute. So I thought it was the qualification until it actually dawned on me that I was not the pageant girl. I was fat, I was short, I was light skinned. But nonetheless, in 2017, I took a leap of faith and stepped into what would later on change my life for the better. I met sisters in Miss Tourism Uganda 2017. I met friends that will later on become cheerleaders and sisters. Today they are visiting me at the studio and we're going to be making chicken and more other dishes like we are going to be sharing in the next videos. Okay, so hi, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and in today's video I'm going to be hosting my friends and sisters from Miss Tourism Uganda class of 2017, and right now we are creating a marinade for a chicken roast that we're going to be doing in the oven. What we did was put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into our mixing bowl, and then we're squeezing in juice of a whole lemon and then garlic. Yeah, I had told her to press harder. Now she's suffering with these her crow nails. She was laughing at me that my nails never grow, but look at hers. She's suffering with them. Anyways, we're going to add in garlic. Disclaimer, I'm starting to train simple classes for simple cookery and basics in cooking for people to become better mothers, better wives, and better cooks in their homes. And no, I will not be posting videos from those classes. This one is just because my sisters were here, my friends were here, and we just decided to film this for memories and to always relive to remember this day. They officially launched the whole classes situation, and yeah, so we just filmed this. So no, you'll not be seeing the things we are teaching in class on YouTube, but yeah, we're going to be doing some spices. We're going to do a curry mixture, so we're using cumin, paprika, black pepper. You can use white pepper though. We have let me see, cumin, paprika, coriander. You can put in cayenne if you want. We used black pepper and turmeric. Yeah, that was the mixture. And then if you have honey or brown sugar, you can also add it in. Just also add in salt. Yeah, don't forget the salt in your marinade. And once everything is in, I'm going to measure the soy sauce, because the way I saw this, my sisters here are trembling. They might end up over seasoning the thing by pouring extra soy sauce. So mix that marinade up together, and then we're going to go on and set it aside, clear the table, and then add in an onion. We need to grate this one for extra flavor. If you have onion powder and garlic powder, it would be much better. And yeah, just whichever way you do it. You can mince it with your hands, you can make paste out of it, you can just grate it with a grater, and yeah, it was all lovely. It was the best day, I think, ever since the studio began or opened, because we got to relive the past. Like, it was laughter everywhere. These guys think I'm a comedian. I don't know if you two think so, but a lot of you have said you think I'm funny. But yeah, the whole time we were laughing, and I think we should be doing this more often. Girls, what do you think? Like once a month, innit? If you're laughing at that word, bako shamim, you especially, I may disown you. Don't joke with me, okay? Yeah, so the marinade is ready. Just mix in the onion all together and set it aside, clean up, and then we're going to be working on the chicken next. Please always remember to clean as you go so that you can restrain or restrict yourself from being in a very cluttered environment. But yeah, so transfer the chicken and make it surrender, okay? That is exactly what I actually said in real time. And we're going to use some kitchen towels to pat it dry. Loki was just teaching them. I don't think they'll forget this one. I was just teaching them how to, make this whole chicken, okay, like make them take part, because I would have cooked the whole morning and wait for them to come and eat. But we wanted to have an experience. We wanted to just, live in the moment once again. One of us is, taking a step, and we should be there for her, and that was me. So I waited for them, and we were just into a learning situation. So what we're going to be doing is remove the backbone of this chicken, making sure not to damage the thighs or the legs of the chicken. So what you do, you're going to grab your kitchen scissors and then make sure they are sharp, and then you're going to go all around that bone until it goes through the neck, and you repeat that on the other side. Ladies, we're in class, so please do it. Someone was struggling. Now you all know why I don't do my nails, innit? You know why I don't do my nails. But anyways, it's not just about the nails, but yeah, let me just make fun of someone. I know she's gonna be pissed, but yeah, what if I don't joke about this one? Who will I? So you cannot focus or cut something that you're not looking at. You need to feel it, you need to see it, and know what exactly you're doing. She was taking too much time and absolutely no skill, but of course you can't blame her. Yeah, she's not a chef, she's not a cook. So I just decided to show her how it's done and finish up. The whole time she's saying, the back is the favorite part of the chicken. Why are you removing it? I'm like, we're gonna eat it. Why are you removing it? You should keep it there because the back is the best. If you think the back and the neck are the best, please say hi. You have a clan member here. You all can start a support group and be there. Okay, so what we're going to be doing after removing the back, you just separate the chest so that the chicken can easily lay flat, and then put it, arrange it. Yeah, she's saying the way you're arranging the chicken, this is a food. I mean, this is a chicken. How can you not handle chicken with care? Trim off some more of that extra fat, and yeah, apparently chicken is not so dirty, but nonetheless I'm gonna go and wash it. Yeah, I'm going to go and remove the extra blood, the extra fat, the extra whatever I put in there. I'm going to go and remove it. Not because I'm killing bacteria, but because I just want it clean. It gives me peace of mind. It's like people who wash rice. Why? Why are you washing packed rice? But it gives you peace. You have sense of, responsibility that now I have washed this chicken. Yes, the bacteria is not dead because at the end of the day, it's going to hellfire and it's going to burn it. It's going to burn life out of it. But we still do it. Return it and then put it on a paper towel. And then what we're going to be doing right now is pat it dry again with kitchen towel, paper towels, making sure all the water is off of it and all the extra blood. And then we're going to put on gloves because our nails, yeah, mine too. Why are you laughing? Yeah, mine too. They are important. They've been there for me in those hard days. People who be complaining that I eat my nails, those ones have been there for me when these chickens were not. So what we're going to be doing is curry our marinade. By the way, I have another video about this, but in that video we're using butter, but here we're using an oil-based marinade. So I will leave the link in the description box. Make sure to check it out and see. So we're going to get that marinade that we created earlier on, and then we just put it around. Now this chicken was frozen, okay? It was frozen. When you freeze meat, usually it tends to loosen up, so it's not as tough as fresh meat. If you buy fresh meat and want the flavors to go in so deeply, you can just marinate it and do all this marinade, spicing and seasoning and freeze it. That way it's going to take up everything, and once you thaw, it's going to be perfect, falling off the bone. But chicken is such a simple and not so difficult to deal with meat. What we are doing is do it immediately now. And then the fact that I had frozen it prior, because I think it's been in the freezer for 4 to 5 days, so it's a bit more softer than usual. That coldness, guys, it breaks them down. So muscles especially. So I'm going to go in with a fork and prick some holes just so my marinade can go in deeper. Guys, this was the best chicken, grilled or roast chicken I have made in a minute, because the marinade, the seasoning was just going so well. Now that we have already flipped it, when we go into the baking tray, skin side up, because we want it crispy, we're not going to be turning this one. Make sure the marinade also goes under the skin of the chicken. Yeah, like you're doing a massage, you're practicing your massage skills on a chicken. And yeah, skin side up, flesh or bone side down. And yeah, set up your oven. It should be preheated by now, but yeah, we're just going to wait a little bit. And then while we're waiting for the oven to preheat and we put in our chicken, we're gonna catch some vibe, okay? Just before you scroll off, make sure to subscribe immediately because you don't want to miss all the goodness that's going to be coming on this channel in the near future. I am just teaching them how this oven particularly works. Everyone has a different oven, so yeah, if you're going to attend any classes of mine, you're going to still learn that so that you know how to operate the machine itself. So the oven has preheated and we're going to put our chicken in 180 degrees Celsius for at least 45 minutes, basting once in a while. Yeah. Other of my girls came in, so we're just so happy that they were here. They all got their uniforms and we took some pictures because the chicken was baking. And then our friend, our Nigerian Belay, Onyinye made for us jollof rice. I'm going to be posting that video much later this week, so make sure you subscribe, you do not miss it. Now the chicken is in, I think, about 30 minutes. We're just going to go in. It has produced some juices and we'll use those juices to baste the chicken just to keep it moist and making sure all the inside is getting the right amount of chicken, seasoning and spices and everything. I'm going to be removing this liquid and I'll be making gravy out of it. The people who were waiting for the backbone, I promise you, they're on my leg right now. Like right now. So this liquid, I'm just removing it and putting it aside. I'll use it to make gravy, just to go with chicken and the jollof rice. Everything is done. We're serving now. We're enjoying. We tried playing a game, we failed, but nonetheless it was such a good day. It was fantastic. I wish we could just relive days, you know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys, up until this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you keep your eyes on the channel so that you do not miss out the jollof rice, okay? This particular jollof rice, we made it. And I'll be seeing you soon in my next videos. Bye.